Good morning to you. This is the Monday, September the 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Let's begin with a look at the Avalon Pier web camera early this morning there, and it's fairly quiet to start the day there along the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Temperature is 70 there at Kill Devil Hills with a north-northeast wind at 6 miles per hour. Regionally, 60s, a few low 70s on the board in the North Carolina Piedmont. A lot of 70s as you get into eastern North Carolina, down into South Carolina, and 54 in Boone. Now we have a little bit of a drier and cooler air mass moving in. The dew point down to 59 in Charlotte, 61 in Greensboro, and northeasterly flow in place across North Carolina behind a cold front, which is stalled out right about here. That's going to allow for some really pretty nice weather here for this Monday. I'll detail that coming up in just a couple of moments. First, the tropical update for you. And a couple of tropical waves we're keeping a watch on. One in the Bahamas, another one well out there in the Atlantic Ocean. Now, the one in the Bahamas is unlikely to develop, but this one out here in the Atlantic is getting better and better organized. And this one probably, if not today, then tomorrow, will get classified as a tropical storm. However, you take a look at this again, the Bahamas wave is unlikely to become a classified system. The one out in the Atlantic will likely get classified, but it's going to recurve to the north and stay even east of Bermuda. So no issue there. All right, close to home, there's your scattered showers and thunderstorms ongoing as I cut the video early this morning in southeastern North Carolina, down into parts of South Carolina, and just some scattered areas of showers and storms around the Gulf Coast region as a whole. And then back in the Rocky Mountain region, there's another cold front taking shape. That one gets here late week. Up that way, you have some areas of rain and snow, dependent upon elevation and temperature. And again, that's a late week cold front for us. Our previous front stalled out off to the south of us, and it's in, again, southern North Carolina and South Carolina closer to that front where the best chance today of seeing the scattered showers and thunderstorms will be. There's the high resolution modeling. Again, South Carolina, the southern tier of North Carolina, some scattered showers and storms. Otherwise, temperatures not as hot today. Look at all the 80s on the board. Not bad at all. Saturday was very hot, still pretty hot yesterday, but temperatures began to step down just a bit. Now we get out into Tuesday, and same basic setup, although the front washes out. But I do think here in, again, South Carolina, maybe the southern tier of North Carolina could be a few showers or storms. Your Tuesday highs look like that. We get out to Wednesday. Not a whole lot happening across the region. Same areas I've been mentioning, except maybe the mountains too, getting into the game of a few showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. There's Wednesday's highs, a little hotter ahead of our next cold front. Now, that next cold front will move south of us, and so, for instance, you're looking at cooler temperatures on Friday and even maybe cooler still on Saturday, but that's going to come along with chances for showers and storms. So here's the overall setup for us. Look at the upper levels here on the European model. This is this morning. We get out to Wednesday night. There's a pretty good little piece of energy moving through the northeast. That drives that next cold front on in here. So on the GFS model, here we are today. You see those areas highlighted for better chances for showers and storms. We get out to tomorrow, pretty much the same. Wednesday, still not much happening, but here comes the next cold front on Thursday. So I do think at least Thursday features some isolated thunderstorms. And then that front's to the south of us. So we have those cooler temperatures in place on Friday. But again, along with that, on Saturday, there's Saturday's map, there's Sunday's map. You're going to have pretty decent chances for a scattering of showers and thunderstorms. I'm not talking about a weekend washout, but I do think scattered showers and thunderstorms at this point looking relatively likely over the weekend. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.